Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable Find My Device on Honor 200 Pro. Find My Device can help you track your device when it's lost or stolen. You can not only track it, but you can make a sound when it's lost and you know it's nearby, but you don't know the exact position of it. Or you can, for example, erase all data when it's stolen. To enable or disable it, go to Settings and then scroll down to Security and Privacy. Scroll down to Device Finders and now click on Find My Device. You can disable it. To disable it, you need to touch the fingerprint sensor or enter your password. And also to enable it, you need to touch this fingerprint sensor or enter your password. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.